Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Lyft driver pickup notifications on Android. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify Lyft driver pickup notifications on Android, start by unlocking your device. Next, locate and open the Lyft app on your home screen or app drawer. Once the app is open, log into your account if you haven't already. On the main screen, check for notification settings by tapping on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner. In the menu, navigate to Settings. Look for the section labeled Notifications. Ensure that Driver Notifications is enabled. Return to the main screen of the app. When a driver initiates a pickup, you'll receive a notification on your device. Swipe down from the top of the screen to access the notification shade. Locate the Lyft notification that indicates your driver's details. Tap on the notification to view more information about your driver. Check the driver's name, vehicle type, and estimated time of arrival. To further verify the driver's location, open the map within the app. If you need to confirm your pickup location, double-check the address displayed. Should you have any concerns regarding the pickup, you can contact your driver through the app. Simply tap on the driver's profile within the notified details. This will open up options for messaging or calling your driver directly. Always make sure your location settings are turned on for accurate notifications. Once you've verified all details, be ready for your ride. This process ensures that you are well informed about your Lyft driver's arrival. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.